Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Fireflies AI account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove your Zoom account from your Fireflies AI account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Zoom account from your Fireflies AI anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing meetings through Zoom or through Google Meet, maybe you decided you don't want to transcribe your calls in Zoom anymore. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Fireflies AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Fireflies AI account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink your Zoom account in your Fireflies account, here on the left side, you're going to click on integrations. All right, once you do that, you can scroll through until you find the Zoom logo, or you can just do what I do and click in the search bar and type in Zoom. And then you want to click here, Zoom audio recording. Okay, so here you can see my Zoom account is connected to my Fireflies account. So what you're going to do is click on this disconnect button. Next, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to disconnect the Zoom integration? Go ahead and click on disconnect once again. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see it says inactive. So Fireflies AI is no longer going to be listening in and transcribing my Zoom calls unless I reconnect it. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Zoom account from your Fireflies AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.